This mPower ORV Chase Light Kit is a great addition for 2015 and newer F-150 owners who want to enhance their rear visibility for off-road use, convoy driving, or extreme weather conditions. Whether you're tackling trails at night, kicking up dust on the dunes, or you want to increase your safety in low visibility conditions, this kit delivers powerful rear-facing lighting in a compact, durable setup. This Chase Light mounts seamlessly behind the existing third brake light, and it's not going to interfere with the factory camera. With bright white cargo lighting and dust-cutting amber lights that can both be continuous and flashing light, this gives you the versatility and functionality of multiple different situations. Both lighting options are going to give you over 2,000 lumens of raw lighting, which is helpful in dark nights or all harsh weather conditions that you might find yourself in. The vibration-resistant construction makes it ideal for off-road adventures and long-lasting performance. This light is going to be built for very rugged use. The mPower ORV Chase Light Kit is housed in a durable, weather-resistant casing made from polypropylene to withstand mud, water, and harsh terrain. The optically efficient LED design provides high visibility with minimum power draw, ensuring your truck remains visible without excessive battery drain. These lenses here on the light are going to be made with shatterproof silicone with high UV and thermal stability to make sure these won't crack or fade over time, even with prolonged exposure to the sun and those elements. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that upper $500 price range, and this price tag is reflective of the high quality build and the functionality of multiple lighting options. The light kit is designed for a very easy install, mounting seamlessly right behind your third brake light and having a straightforward wiring setup. This is going to be rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and the install will only take you about an hour, probably a little bit less of your time. Alright, that's going to wrap up our review of the mPower ORV Chase Light Kit for the 2015 and newer F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.